So, you want to know what's really behind modern AI and data science? Let's take a look.
Well, it's not just one thing. It's a whole ecosystem of Python libraries working together. All right, first things first, every great project starts with a solid foundation for handling data. And these five are the absolute must-haves for pretty much any data manipulation and visualization job. Pandas gives us the data frame. Honestly, just think of it like a spreadsheet on steroids. So Matplotlib gives you total control, but Seaborn, it's built right on top for beautiful statistical plots fast. And then there's Plotly. It makes your charts interactive, which is perfect for web dashboards. Okay, data's clean. Now for the fun part, the prediction powerhouses that build the actual models. This group is packed with specialized tools for all kinds of machine learning algorithms and statistical tests. Scikit-learn is your Swiss Army knife for most classic machine learning tasks. You'll start right here. Then you've got XGBoost, LightGBM, and CatBoost. These are high-performance specialists for tree-based models. And what if your datasets are just massive? Well, Rapids taps into your GPU for a huge speed boost. All right, let's get to the cutting edge, tools for deep learning and understanding human language. These libraries are the heavyweights. They're designed to build the complex neural networks behind today's AI. So TensorFlow is king for large-scale production, but PyTorch? It's loved for its flexibility in research. And these NLP libraries? They're the key to unlocking insights from text, from chatbots to document analysis. Hugging Face Transformers really changed the game here by making powerful pre-trained models super accessible. Okay, that's a lot of tools. So how in the world do you pick the right one for your project? Well, the key is to think modularly. Start with the basics, then bring in a specialist for the job. See, this isn't just a list of tools. It's a platform for innovation. The only question is, what will you build?